Going live on TikTok and playing Fortnite. It's pretty easy thing to do to that I'm going to teach you how you can go live on TikTok and playing Fortnite. So for that you simply have to go to your TikTok application, and in your TikTok application you have to tap on this plus icon. After that, being on plus icon, you will see an option for live right here. So I currently in my region the live is not available, so it is not showing me like that, but in your case you will see an option something like that. Here you not have one live, and then you have to select your mobile gaming option right here. What it will do is it will start capturing your mobile screen. Afterwards you can open up the Fortnite in your Android device and play it however that you want to do. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this. You have 4